Greetings and good day. This is Christopher Fries here with Fries Forge. Today we're going to be taking a look at this Fiskars 4-pound vertical peen hammer. Well, look at this sucker here. 4 pounds of destroy more Fiskars. Get a full lifetime warranty. I'm not a big fan of these unnatural handles, but this one seems like it's designed well enough. Because we're going to need to dress the faces. They come not too bad, but not very good. So let's do that. This is a Scotch Brite belt, and it's pretty cool. Well, so far so good. The faces on this turned out all right. Time to get something hot, hit it hard. See how this does. The Fiskars ISO Core 4-pound vertical peen hammer. Actually fares pretty well. I was expecting to hate this thing, but I figured I'd buy it just because I've seen some people asking about it, and I've been curious about it myself, and I've seen it on a few different store shelves in a few different stores. So I got it. I bit the bullet and I bought it. And if you're in the market for a budget vertical peen hammer, because you've got some heavy drawing out to do and what blacksmith doesn't, I recommend it. I actually do. It works quite well. We had to dress the faces on it, but I mean, that's kind of standard with any store-bought hammer. If you want something amazing that works for just about everything, that comes ready to use right out of the box, you gotta get something like this. This hammer was made by Joy Vandersteeg and Alex Steele in 2016. I can't believe it's 2019 now. You know, I've been blacksmithing for 3 years. Anyway, I digress. The Fiskars vertical peen hammer is it's worth the small amount of money that it costs. I will have a link to one that you could purchase from Amazon in the description of this video. I didn't get this one from Amazon, but Amazon sells them. So if you want one, you can pick one up off of Amazon. And if you do purchase it through the Amazon link, then FreeSforge gets a kickback for that. And that helps the channel grow. Any commissions, PayPal donations, Patreon support, that all goes directly into the channel to make better videos for you. And it also at the same time buys new hammers for me. It's a win-win. One hand washes the other. Anyways, if you have any suggestions for other hammers or other tools that I might want to try out and demo for you and see if they're any good, leave a comment and let me know what those are. I'm always looking for a new hammer or a new tool or a new toy, depending on how I plan to use it at that very moment. The wife seems to think that I have enough hammers. I politely disagree. Anyways, thank you all very much for watching. May the Force serve you well. Shoot, shoot, bottom, shoot, bottom, shoot. Well, you're still here. It's over. Go home. Well, I guess since you won't go away, I'll take this moment to thank my fantastic and wonderful patrons. You guys are amazing. Thank you very much. I love you long time. Over here, you'll find a couple of videos I've done. This one is my most recent upload, and this one is one that YouTube has decided via its algorithms that you might enjoy. We all know how wonderful and fantastic and perfect YouTube's algorithms are, so I'm sure you have nothing to fear.